With an easy-to-make savory homemade seitan sautéed with onions and peppers, then smothered in a creamy vegan cheese sauce, this filling, flavor-packed sandwich brings the classic Philly experience to your plate, 100% plant-based and delicious. It comes together quickly by multitasking in the kitchen. First, make some easy seitan by combining vital wheat gluten with nutritional yeast and spices, then mixing in some flavors like veggie broth, soy sauce, olive oil, and tomato paste. It creates a dough ball that you then press down and cut into strips to form seitan meat. Next, you have choices. I like a tender seitan, so I use a double boiler first to steam it for about 15 minutes. You can skip this part if you don't mind a slightly less tender seitan. It will still come out delicious, just fry them up after cutting the strips on medium-low so they don't burn. They tend to brown pretty quickly, and you want to make sure you cook them through, so medium-low heat is key. Set the seitan aside and sauté some onions along with red and green peppers. Make sure to season with some salt and pepper for extra flavor. Add the seitan back in just to combine the ingredients and heat everything evenly. Traditional cheesesteak sandwiches use cheese whiz, provolone, or American cheese melted over the cooked beef to create a deliciously gooey and flavorful Philly cheesesteak. You can use store-bought vegan cheese slices if you want, but this vegan version uses a quick 5-minute cashew cheese sauce made in the blender. If you can't have nuts, try my nut-free cheese sauce found on nutsandtwigs.com. Next, in a preheated oven, toast the hoagies or buns that you've prepared with a little vegan butter or olive oil. Assemble with the seitan and veggie mixture and drench with as much cheese sauce as you want. Eat these sandwiches hot for the best flavor and texture. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and remember, eat more nuts and twigs at nutsandtwigs.com. Thanks for watching.